Every part you create in SolidWorks will begin with a 2D sketch. In this example, I'll show you one method for creating this basic shape. I will use sketch tools, basic dimensions, and geometric relations to create a fully defined sketch. Let's get started. I'll begin by starting a new part file. Before I start sketching, I want to make sure the units are set to inches. I'll go to Options, Document Properties, Units, and select IPS. Next, I'll create a new sketch on the front plane by going to the Feature Manager design tree, clicking once on the front plane, and selecting the New Sketch icon from the pop-up menu. I will use the Line tool, which is found in the Sketch toolbar, to create a chain of lines to form the basic shape of the sketch profile. I'll begin the line so that the first endpoint is coincident with the origin. As I continue, take note of SolidWorks' ability to create automatic dimensions and geometric relations. First, notice the number that appears next to the cursor. This value lets me know the approximate length of the line I am sketching. Next, notice that when I bring the cursor up close to vertical, a yellow flag appears next to the cursor, indicating that SolidWorks is going to automatically add a geometric relation. I will continue to form the sketch profile, making sure I use the same vertical and horizontal geometric relations as stated in the example problem. Notice that the sketch is black and blue. Black geometry indicates that it is fully defined, while anything blue is underdefined. It's generally considered best practice to fully define all of your sketches, and in fact is one of the goals of this exercise. To do this, I can launch the Smart Dimension tool either from the Sketch toolbar or by pressing the S key on the keyboard, which brings up a shortcut menu where I can select it as well. The sketch is complete once all the segment geometry turns black. SolidWorks also lets me know the sketch is fully defined by the status bar at the bottom of the screen. If there is underdefined geometry, a good way to troubleshoot this is to click and drag on any points or line segments that still appear blue to see how they are able to move, and then add the appropriate dimension or relation.